Good morning. I can't believe it's October the 5th, but thank you for checking out. This is another portion of my hot deal series. I think I am going to continue to do it because I just love to shop and I love to coupon and share my experience with the digital coupons I use. So today's hot deal consists of Planters peanuts for 99 cents. Also, the Sunkist ginger ale from Canada Dry and Dr. Pepper 6 packs for $1.49 each. Also, I did pick up some yogurt, Yoplait yogurt. They currently have them 39 cents at Kroger, and if you buy 5, they will be 39 cents, but also they do have like a 50-cent coupon if you just buy 2. So for 5 I got $1.50, so you couldn't beat that at all. So how to get the other or all of these items? You definitely have to have a Kroger Plus card. You have to be enrolled, and then also you should definitely either download their Kroger app or go to their website and add these digital coupons. Or today deals, what I did, I bought the 5 Yoplays to get the 50 cents off, and these was $1.50. These are the 99 cent planter peanuts, and they had them in honey roasted nuts, and they also had them in dry roasted peanuts, and then they also had them in a cocktail peanuts, like a big box, not box, but big container, way bigger than these, so you couldn't beat that at all. And then for the 6 pack, these are roughly 16.9 ounces, fluid ounces. Yep, you can't beat. And they was $1.49 each. Usually I don't drink sodas and ginger ale, but it's good to just have every now and then whenever you have that taste, have that sugar rush you need or want. So all of this was $10.38. You couldn't beat it. Cool. I'm gonna show you my receipts. Just, everybody love to show those receipts. I bought the planter peanuts separately. They were $2.49 each, and the totals were $3.06. The savings were $10.50. And I bought everything else. I did buy some fruit and stuff as well, but that was on sale too. But the sodas were $2.49 each. The Yoplait were 39 cents, and that's the 50-cent coupon for the Yoplait. And then these are the sodas, $2.49, and then that $1 off coupon that applies. So this whole total with my fruit were $20.23. I bought a lot of fruit though, and those savings were $25.21. Just wanted to share, and hopefully you are able to get these savings as well. Keep them in the pantry for the family and the friends, and save. It's always good to save, and make sure you're getting the best deal as possible, because this stuff is not worth what we pay for if you just pay for them without a coupon or without a sale being attached to the items. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do enjoy these hot deals, make sure to like and comment. Also subscribe. I do vlogs as well. Maybe do some story times or experiences that I've conducted or have came across in my life, just so you can get a little better knowledge of who I am. So, man, stay positive, stay giving, and love each and every one of us, because we are all humans at the end of the day. Bye.